Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add channel in Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom left. Click on it and click on Account. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to the top and click on Save List. Wait a bit, and once done, you'll be able to see YouTube, TikTok, podcast, RSS feed, Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, or any other website's URL. Okay, so for example, as you can see here, I do have my YouTube and Twitch added. I've been using Epidemic Sound to play Twitch music whenever I play a game. Okay, and if I do need any background music for my videos on YouTube, I use it as well. So for example, I have here TikTok. I'm just going to go ahead and click on TikTok account. Now you can just go ahead and type down your TikTok's username. Okay. For example, that one. Then you can just go ahead and click on add it once you have this bar right here. If you don't have it, that means Epidemic Sound right here doesn't recognize the TikTok account. Make sure that you enter the correct username. So just click on add it and you'll be able to see it right here. All right. And then once that's done, you're now actually safe to use the music and sound effects from Epidemic Sounds and you won't get copyrighted. Now, if you do wonder how copyright works for your videos, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of Epidemic Sound tutorials for you. That's just basically how to add a channel in Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.